So today I'm here and I'm going to be doing my February favorites. I am super excited and I hope you guys are too. Talking about my makeup, I know it's hours old now makeup, so I was out running errands and all that, so probably looks a little messy, but wanted to get on here and, have some fun and do a video. Alright, so if you guys like to know some of my favorite makeup products of February, then please stay tuned. First things first is the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. If you guys have not watched my Project Pan, my Hoola bronzer kind of went and pooped the bed, so this has been my go-to. It's just amazing, just such a good quality formula, palette, everything, and I actually really love using the brush with it. Normally I'm not a person who feels like I need the brush with the product, however, it's just perfect. They're perfect together and I just love them. Obviously, I mainly stick to just these four. Every once in a while I'll just gently dip into that one just for a little bit of a deepen contour. Very fairly touching this. If you guys want a video of me using this on my fair skin, let me know down below, but I'll definitely do that for you guys. But such a good formula. I just really love this. Alright. One of the things I actually really love is this Hard Candy Longwear Sheer & V setting spray. It is so good. Drugstore, Walmart, definitely try this. It's amazing. It smells like cucumber. It's super refreshing. Really just love this as a setting spray. I also use it to do my eyeshadows to kind of like deepen them and all that. Just works amazing for it. Highly recommend this. Super affordable, so this is great. Next up, the Smashbox Primerizer. I absolutely love this. As you can tell, it's over halfway empty. Can't stop using it. I've been using this like every single time I do my makeup, and not just that, because it is a primerizer and I saw lots of good stuff on it. I saw that some people were using it also as their moisturizer, because you could. So I've also been using it as my moisturizer as well. Not every day, but just every now and again where I feel like I could need a little bit more. I've been using this and it's worked amazing so far, so really love this. The L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Foundation. Mine is in Classic Ivory 201. This is amazing. I have a whole video on this talking about it, so I'm not going to stay on this long. Just an amazing foundation. It sits so beautifully in my skin. Mine's already halfway gone. Definitely going to end up probably repurchasing this after I use up some of my foundations I have. Really great. Drugstore, so it's way more cheaper than, going to Ulta or Sephora. Definitely check this out. Next, I have two Too Faced highlighters. Sounds weird. I have the new Diamond highlighter, which looks like this. Oh, it's so pretty. My best friend got me this for Christmas. Love it. So stunning. And then the other one is the Love Light highlighter in Blinded by the Light. And it looks like this. They're both beautiful and iridescent, but then they're also completely different too, but they're beautiful and just stunning. And especially if you're fair skinned, I really think you would love both of these highlighters. I know a lot of people say the prismatic ones aren't really that blinding, but honestly, once you take and kind of get rid of that first layer, it really starts to get very in your face, beautiful highlight. I'm actually going to put just a little bit. I know some of these may be repeats of makeup I already loved, but, if I really like something, I can't help it. But, oh, look at that. Just stunning. And I didn't put that much on, but really love this. Gorgeous. This one, too, just both so beautiful. I have not stopped wearing them. Every time it's a highlighter, it's been these two. I absolutely love them. My last three makeup items are eyeshadow palettes, but I do have just one random item that I'm going to share, and this is actually a lotion, and it's the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion. I'm randomly throwing this in here, but I want to put this out there. People who are suffering really badly, like dried skin, like bad, this has been helping me like crazy. I was going through so many lotions and trying some. This one I actually noticed a difference in. Totally recommend trying it. Huge difference, and I've already made a decent fit in this. Just feels so good on my skin and just really helped give the moisture that my skin needed. Alright, and the last three items. The first thing is the Kat Von D Shade and Light Eyeshadow Quad, and this is in the color Sage. And this is the green one here. It is so pretty. Sorry, this is the most it can open. That's the only bad thing about this palette, is that it doesn't want to open any more than that, but so pretty. Worn this several times now. Just really love it. I don't really have, like, I'm starting to expand and get out of my, like, just brown neutral color range. So I don't really have, like, green tones really in my collection. They had this on sale for like $15. And I've been using this up a lot. I just love the way it looks. Love Kat Von D's eyeshadow formula. Think it's beautiful. So definitely love this. Next is a newer item, and it is the Kathleen Lights and ColourPop Dreamstreet collaboration. And this is so beautiful. Look at this palette. It's like neutral, but then it's got like these pops of colors in it. It's stunning. I've worn it in several of my videos as of lately. I have a whole video dedicated to this. I also have a ColourPop collection video if you guys want to check that out as well. So beautiful. I just love the way that this palette is. I do wish it had a mirror. However, for the cheap price, I'm not going to complain. But I absolutely love these. None of these shadows are a dud. They're all beautiful. Really recommend this, and I really think a lot of people would love this palette. Okay, last but not least is actually the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. And this looks like this. And this is actually what I have on my eyes right now. Again, it's probably like faded by now because I did my makeup at like 10 o'clock this morning. And when I'm doing this now, it's like almost midnight. So just putting it out there. But I did use Desert Sand, Twilight, Amethyst, Royal, some Retrograde, a little bit of Angelic. Used a ton of different shades, and also Eden. And it just came out just so stunning. It still looks actually pretty great minus my lower lash line. But still looks pretty great actually. But I absolutely love this palette. At first I was iffy and I was like, I don't know. But now I feel like the more and more I use this, like I'm going out of my way to grab for it. So that tells me I love it. So I'm definitely loving this palette. Been using a lot for February. Just has like those perfect, like, I don't know, Valentine's, I don't know, tones. It's so pretty. But so far I've been loving this and I think it's been amazing. Alright guys, well those are my February favorites. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Alright, thanks guys. Bye.